If you're struggling with email marketing, pay close attention to what I'm about to share. Are your emails dying in the spam folder while your competitors are making more and more sales every single day? What you're about to discover could completely transform your email marketing results forever. The truth is simple. Every email that lands in spam is throwing money straight into the trash. Think about it. You're spending countless hours writing perfect subject lines, crafting engaging content, and creating irresistible offers. You're investing time and money building your email list. But if your emails hit the spam folder, all that effort and investment goes to waste. Right now, successful marketers are making thousands of dollars daily from their email lists. Their messages are reaching subscribers, generating clicks, and creating consistent sales. Meanwhile, your messages are trapped in spam, taking your potential profits with them. But it doesn't have to be this way. I know exactly how this feels because I was once in your shoes. My open rates were stuck at a miserable 6 to 7%. My subscribers weren't seeing my emails. My revenue was dropping month after month. I was frustrated, confused, and ready to give up on email marketing completely. I tried everything. Expensive email tools that promised better delivery, expert advice that led nowhere, complex technical setup that just gave me headaches. Nothing seemed to work. I wasted thousands of dollars and countless hours trying to fix my email deliverability problems. It felt like I was fighting a losing battle. But then everything changed when I discovered these simple yet powerful fundamentals that transformed my email marketing completely. These weren't complex strategies or expensive solutions. They were straightforward, proven techniques that anyone could implement. Today, my results are completely different. I'm consistently getting 45% plus open rates. That's nearly half my list seeing every email I send. I'm achieving 95% inbox placement rate, meaning almost every email lands exactly where it should. I have zero spam complaints, and my email revenue keeps growing month after month. That's why I created Email Deliverability Booster, a complete, step-by-step training system that shows you exactly how to achieve these same results. This isn't just another course filled with theory. This is a practical, proven system that shows you exactly how to land your emails in the inbox, keep your sender score high, and maintain perfect deliverability. Everything in this training is designed with one goal in mind: to help you get better results as quickly as possible. There's no complex technical jargon, no confusing setup process, just clear, actionable training that works. Each lesson builds on the last, creating a complete system that anyone can follow. Just imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing a completely different reality. Your emails are actually reaching your subscribers' inboxes. Your open rates are skyrocketing beyond anything you've seen before. Your click rates are multiplying day after day. Your revenue is growing consistently from every email you send. No more frustrated subscribers asking you to check your spam settings. No more wasted hours writing emails that no one ever sees. No more lost revenue from campaigns that fail to reach their destination. This is the reality that's possible when you have the right system in place. The best part, you don't need any special technical skills to make this work. You don't need to hire expensive consultants or buy complicated tools. Everything you need is included in this comprehensive training system. The choice is yours today. You can keep struggling with emails in spam, watching your competitors succeed while your messages go unseen. Or you can join us and start seeing your emails land in the inbox where they belong. But remember, every day your emails go to spam is another day of lost revenue and missed opportunities. This special launch price won't last long. The price goes up soon, and you'll never see it this low again. Don't let another email die in spam. Click the button below now to transform your email marketing forever. Remember this important truth. The money is in your list, but only if your emails actually reach it. The time to act is now. Get started today by clicking the button below and join the thousands of marketers who are already seeing better results with this proven system. Don't wait until your competition gets this first. Take action now and secure your access to Email Deliverability Booster at this special price. Click the button below to get started immediately.